today we have Shrey from Bangalore. So Shrey, how are you?
Hey, I'm great, Prashant. How are things going for you?
All good. Shrey, so I have few questions, right, regarding the current education system and the B.Tech. What are the key problems or shortcoming you observe, right, in the current engineering programs available? So like the current B.Tech or whatever engineering you can say programs are there, right? So as from your experience, right, when you were a student or you're engineer, like being in your initial days, right, what are the problems that you think are there in the current engineering programs?
I'm stating from my experience and my friends what they have been through. So basically, I have seen that most of the time that college takes, right, many of the semester can be just skipped altogether. It's more for they're just passing the time.
Got it.
We are not actually doing something which will benefit in the industry, and we are having this old course, okay, which
Yep.
is being there for 10 years or something like that. And I guess a lot of the college, right, they don't actually want people to do this internship which can actually help them.
Like I believe you must have also been a part of hiring drives in your company here and there, right? So what are the challenges that you typically face when you're hiring or looking out for freshers to join in the development domain?
Okay. So basically, what I have noticed is that when I go for hiring freshers, they have a very gimmicky resume.
Yep.
They generally write a lot of things. Okay, which is easily, like, we can see that it's not feasible for a person to achieve it in college. It's possible, but still kind of gimmicky. That's what I feel is. So basic the point is, for the interview there is a pattern, right, how we usually
Yes.
go with. There are DS algo, LLD, HLD. I'm sure that there will be a very great developers, but if you're not be able to answer the DS algo and LLD, so definitely they will be rejected. So this is the way of, like, it's like, you may be an engineer, but you still, for going to engineering, you need to pass the test of JE, right? You need
Correct.
to. So that's what this is all about. You need to study DSL Go, and doesn't matter what you have built actually. If you build some Instagram clones or whatsoever, but that's what I feel, that they tell that no, I don't believe in that. I believe in development. So that's where the issue is from. That's what I feel.
Great, great. And do you actually think, right, the thing, like you must have also seen students saying, right, there are no jobs. So is it actual the thing, or there are, like, you would agree that there are no
So
skilled
with the
people?
recession, there is little bit of recession. That's true. But what I think is that India is all ever blooming. There's all, if you have a very good skills, right, you will eventually land a good job. So there is no, in recent, like around 6 months or 7 months, we can all see people getting laid off and all.
Correct. Great. So moving next, right? I have to ask, right? So like, if you have gone through, like you have gone through the whole B.Tech program and with all those things, right? So what is your opinion on the B.Tech CSE program that we are launching in collaboration with ITM Skills University?
So like I went through it. Like what I mostly liked about that, other than the actual work like computer science, you have something related to management, you have related something to investment. That will actually do a holistic development for the person itself.
Right.
Like they know that when they are going to the industry, they need to tackle HR, taxes, and manage everything. Like, even if you are a very good developer, if you don't know how to talk your way out of it, you won't be able to grow.
Correct.
uh, I know, people think that I am a very great developer, but if you don't know how to pitch things, you won't be able to get promoted after a certain time. Because after all, you need to showcase what you are actually building, right, in a proper way. So that requires not only the skills of development, it requires skills of management as well.
Thanks, Shrey.